Hello YouTube, welcome back to MJ Studio. Have you ever thought about checking out who are visiting your Facebook profile? There is a way to find it. In this video, I will show you how to find out who are visiting your Facebook profile. So to check it, go to your browser. I'm using Chrome here and go to Facebook. I have already logged into my Facebook account. So you might need to log in by using your credentials. So after giving your user ID and password, log into Facebook, then click on your profile, then anywhere in this blank space you can see the right side, left side, as well as in right side you can see blank space. So anywhere in these blank spaces you can right click on view page source. So this is the source code of your web page, I mean your profile. Here you need to press Ctrl and F keys from your keyboard and then type initial chat friends list. Press enter. You can see there are many numbers listed here. You can see there is a list mentioned here, and after that you can see many numbers. So these are all the profile IDs of your friends who are visiting your Facebook profile. So let's take the first 15 digit of these numbers one by one and check who are all visiting my Facebook profile. So I'm taking the first 15 digit of this number, copy, click on the link, and you need to replace. You should keep facebook.com, then slash, remaining you need to remove, delete, and then paste the number, 15 digit number you copied from the source page. I pasted it here. Press enter. So this is my friend. So he recently visited my Facebook profile. So in the same way you can find out the other numbers. So as I told, these are all the numbers. These 15 digit numbers are related to your friend's Facebook profile. So one by one you can check. So this is also my friend. So in this way you can find out who are all visiting your Facebook profile. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please give thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.